Hey there, if you're wondering how to copy Instagram comments and captions, then we are going to discuss the same in this tutorial. This is your host Shravan from Teckle.com. Without further ado, let's get started. So open up Instagram app and navigate to the content from which you want to copy the comments or the captions from. Let me use this content. Now tap on the upper hand right corner 3 vertical dots and tap on copy link. Now you have copied the link of this content, and now just simply open the Chrome browser or any browser, but this is super important that you are logged into your Instagram account on that browser. Now since we are already logged in, just paste the link which we already copied, which will lead to us to that content. And now again tap on the vertical 3 dots on the top right corner to open the browser settings. Now click desktop site option. Now it will be oriented in desktop view automatically, and now pinch and zoom to the area where all the content is. Now scroll down and let me copy this comment. Tap and hold and select till where you want to copy your captions or comments. This comes super handy if you want to translate a comment and want to respond to that comment in different languages, etc. So I have copied this comment and just simply paste it anywhere. Let me paste it in the browser address bar itself. So you can see that it has copied the content. So that's it guys. If you find this tutorial useful, then don't forget to smash that like button and also do subscribe and get notified for our upcoming videos. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.